Yeah, so we can see now these bags, we made them a lot bigger. There's a lot more weight on them now. We are getting bigger clusters, as you can see. Look at this cluster here. It's really nice. You can really see that the mushroom has a lot of more potential because they are bigger, the clusters, and they are really gonna spread out. We have the mushrooms here forming a really nice cluster, so we get a lot more yield on the bags now. And we are in the process of making all the bags. The smaller bags, we are gonna make them so that they are gonna be bigger. You see these bags here, we already harvested on them. So we're gonna exchange everything now, and then we are gonna put a lot more bigger bags in here. The idea is that now all the bags will be 3 times as big. The weight will be even higher because we are gonna condense them even more. So that also increases the yield. And this is the test site for what we are doing now. In a month, then all this and the whole container will be filled with bigger bags that hopefully will give us some really nice big clusters. And this is gonna be making this profitable and successful, so we can finally start to get our investment of this shipping container back. And when you see here, you can see the clusters here is already much bigger than they were last time. And with the small bags, this is like a huge difference in how the mushrooms are gonna be. Because you see this little bag here, it contains like a tiny mushrooms, but our oyster mushrooms on the bigger bags are looking really nice now. Yeah, so if you liked this content and you want to follow the journey of us making this into a profitable business model, then subscribe to the channel and follow for more content.